Daf T244 ex-army trucks. They come with very basic seats. It's obviously designed just for the army guys to sit on. It's not very comfortable. So I bought two smart car seats. They're actually a perfect width from there to there. And the runners will fit in the gap that's left inside the cab. Well, I'll just have to re-drill this side, the floor, to bolt them in. As you can see, the handles to adjust the seat forward and backwards stick out a long way. So this one I've already started to modify. I've taken off the smart car seat belt holder. And as you can see with this one, the handle is now in line with the seat and doesn't stick past. So I've cut this piece here, modified it, so now it stays underneath the seat. Inside the cab, I've taken out the ex-army seat, which is now up there. As you can see, it's got a huge base to it, which I don't need. And the actual smart car seat butts up against here and butts up against here and is a perfect fit. I'll show you it when I fitted it. The seat modified to fit. This is what I had to do on the passenger side to fit the smart car seat. The smart car seat fits perfectly between here and here, but there is a cable that runs in the DAF up here and drops down. If I'd have bolted this seat to the floor, it would have sat on top of the cable and possibly cut in the future. I don't need the big base that came with the army seats, because there's more than enough leg room here. So I bolted a piece of box section using existing bolts in the floor across here and one at the back, and I've bolted the seats to this box section so it leaves a gap underneath here. So now this is above where the cable was. The seat can still operate, it can still go backwards and forwards, and with the modified handle it's out the way, so it gives the passenger more than enough room on this side. I'll show you what I did to the driver's side now. Driver's side, obviously we needed some adjustment up and down, so if different people drive the vehicle they can adjust the legs. I got short legs, so this mechanism is all the way down. It's the existing mechanism that came with the army seat, and what I've done to make it fit, I've bolted an extra angle to the front of the seat here. I did the same at the back, and it's extended 70 mil each side past the existing frame. This allows me to sit the runners on for the smart car seat. You can see in its lowest position it still misses the air handbrake, and on this side it still misses the tunnel. We still have adjustment backwards and forwards, and obviously with the scissor action of the army base I can go up and down as well, so it fits perfect. It's very little modification to make it fit. It does sit above the mechanism for the handbrake, but it doesn't matter because when it's on its lowest section it just misses. So if I needed to move this or get into here, I just move the seat up into its highest position and I have no problem. I hope it helps anybody who's going to fit these seats, because I think it's the best fit seat for the small space that they have to go in.